Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today is Magical Mask Monday. You have to excuse my voice. I had a bout of laryngitis since around Friday. I guess it was all the smoky air I was exposed to. I mean, I tried to stay in as much as possible, but I had to go out, and that was the bottom line. So today's mask is one of the Marie masks, and this one is the royal purple one. And that's what the back looks like. So today's oracle reading, we're not going to pull, like shuffle the moon cards. We're gonna do the super moon card, because our full moon that started yesterday is a super moon. And super moons pack a lot of energy. Super full moon can, the energy of it can last from like 3 days before to 3 days after. I didn't read the meaning of the card, but that's what I was drawn to do. So that's what I did. Let me get this mask on. I hope you can hear me all right. And if my voice cracks or breaks, I'm sorry. I've been doing a lot of sleeping. That smoke really kicked my ass. It was so hazy. I mean, it's been like 3 days of darkness. Well, it was. Wednesday and Thursday and Friday were the worst. It finally started clearing out Saturday. And thank God me and Matt put our air conditioners in to filter out some of it. But even then, I'm just rubbing this on my elbows where my skin's dry. Alright, try my hands off. So like I said, the first card that we're going to read the meaning of is the super moon. So we'll shuffle up the Ask Your Guides. I got my little table here. Let me move that over. I hope everybody's feeling good this week. This is going to be the oracle reading for the week of July 3rd till next Monday. Yeah, they really, I mean, I don't know about you all, but my throat was burning, nose was burning, I was waking up with my eyes sealed shut, that weird plastic smell in the air. It was just a lot. Alright, so I'm going to ask our spirit guides, angel light beings, help guide me to pick an appropriate card for this week. Okay, so it is Purpose and Master Teacher. And the number is 38. Like I said, I hope you can hear me. And I hope the air conditioner don't pop on. It's really hot and humid out. I put the temperature up a little bit. Alright, we're going to the Sacred Forest. These cards. I will say this mask feels wonderful. I was getting worried that I wasn't going to be able to do my Brewed Beauties video. But my voice is back, because if not, I would have just had to do one of those silent ones and just type this stuff in. And there goes the air conditioner. Alright, angel, spirit guides, help me pick the most appropriate card for this week for me and my viewers, to give us some guidance and focus for the week. Wild Rose Fairy, and the meaning is love. And the number is 47. I'll turn that off. Hold on. I didn't think it would kick on when I made the temperature higher. Hopefully it's not too annoying. We'll see if it'll kick off. This mask feels really good today. There we go. Alright, let's get into it. Let's do Moonology first. So there's the card. This card suggests, I can hardly see. This card suggests that the answer to whatever you're asking is writ large like the silvery full moon set against the velvety night sky. If you're wondering how successful something is going to be, such as a job, relationship, the answer is very. Okay. To use common parlance, the answer to your question may well be that it's right under your nose. This card is about being larger than life, being special and bursting with energy that you can tune into and work with. You can expect plenty of good things and positive outcome when this card comes up. But you may find there's a lot of emotion to deal with also. There's also a sense that an opportunity around whatever you're asking about didn't come along every day, so take action. Okay, let me read that again. There's also a sense that the opportunities around whatever you're asking don't come along every day, so take action. Okay, so new opportunities. And I know I look really orange. That's because I have orange curtains and I don't have my overhead light on because it's too hot. Success is close. I must trust. Additional meanings. A resolution of your question is closer than you may think. Don't ignore the obvious. Something exciting lies ahead. Make sure you don't blow events out of proportion. Speak to the goddess. Ask her for assistance. The teaching is a supermoon is a new or full moon that takes place when the moon is at its closest point to the earth during monthly orbit. An event known as perigee if it's a full moon. The moon appears around 14% bigger at this time. This moon is known as the Queen of Emotions. And if you draw the supermoon card, regardless of when, you can expect your feelings to be more highly charged. Makes sense, because I have really been feeling very emotional this weekend, and I don't know why. It's just been weird. Second card from Ask Your Guides is Purpose. Master Teacher. You're beginning to stride into your purpose. Work is no longer a struggle, and your master teacher is guiding you along the way. The more aligned you become with your life's proper path, the more your days will flow with ease. You lose track of all barriers as you go with the flow and throw your heart and soul into your efforts. Your dedication will pay off in the long run, but even this isn't important. Your efforts are now their own reward. Doing what you love so well and so faithfully fulfills you. Your challenge is to resist the temptation to push yourself to exhaustion. Remain measured and steady. Don't overlook the importance of taking a day of rest at least once a week. Your master teacher is also pleased with your progress, but reminds you that even though you may love your work and feel you could work forever, your body and mind get fatigued. Develop the wisdom to know when to step away, refresh your soul. Pace yourself is the message. Okay. Opportunities, but pace yourself. All right, the Sacred Forest card was Wild Rose Fairy, which focuses on love. The scent of the wild rose is heady. And actually, I have wild roses in my yard, and they just bloomed 2 days ago. The perfume fragrance swirls around you and flows directly into your heart. With each inhalation, your heart opens up even wider and deeper. The soft pink color of the petals contrasts with the dark, shiny leaves. Love is all around you. Open your heart to receive. All of life's experiences are a splendid part of a spiritual evolution towards the realization that we are all love. In all matters of romance, there's healing right now. You are a sacred vessel for love to flow through you, to others, and to the universe. Healing has occurred. Healing is occurring. Healing will occur. Your angels, guides, spirit guardians, and allies adore and cherish you. If only you could see yourself the way those in spirit see you, you would know how profoundly and deeply loved, cherished, and adored you are. Be open to allowing Creator to solve your challenges in wondrous ways. Trust that everything is unfolding graciously and perfectly in your life. The opposite of fear is love. Allow fear to dissolve as love expands. The spirit of the wild rose says, you are more cherished than you could possibly know. Open your heart to receive. Love is on its way. You are an external vessel for love to flow through. You are enough, just as you are. That's a beautiful message. And maybe that is something we all needed to hear this week. With all the weird stuff going on in the world, all the weird weather. When we had 3 days of smoke and we're on our third day of rain. Finally cleared up. We got some sunshine outside. Still kind of smells like plastic out there, but the skies are clear. I have a picnic tomorrow that I'm doing with my family for the 4th of July. We're not really into fireworks, so We had a little bit of a scare a couple years ago, and that kind of turned me off of the fireworks. Plus, we don't need any because my neighbors are all insane, and they've been setting fireworks off since last Wednesday. I don't mind them, except for the big boomers, which, scares my mom, scares my daughter. Heidi was up all Wednesday night, terrified. And when I say boomers, I mean it sounded like they were throwing sticks of dynamite out there, rattling the windows and everything. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the reading for the week of July 3rd. I hope this video uploads today and we're able to get it up, because I am doing it the morning of, since I had the laryngitis. And I plan on filming my other video right after this, after I take my bath. I usually do my face mask first, and then I'm gonna go take a bath, relax a little bit, and then start preparing for my family picnic. That's tomorrow. Alright, until we meet again next week, have a happy week, have a happy 4th of July, and until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.